Happy Thanksgiving. Get the chat going, setting everything up. Good morning. I am here. Yo, what up, Corey? What up, Baba? The market's in a 10-point range since, it's Thanksgiving. But just play the bottom of the range, man. What up, Sean? So what I actually see is this is on the bigger time frames, but the 4-hour chart up, hanging, and I think we're going to take another leg up. I'm just kind of playing the ranges. What up, Comfy? Trading today equals trading addiction? I don't know. It's only an addiction if you lose. If I win, it's a great trading day, right? It's only a problem if you lose. I'm waiting to see if it comes back up. Seems like it's just kind of riding the VWAP. Oh, it just recalculated. Put all my stuff back on. I actually need another tab for previous day highs and lows. I think I'm going to make one of those. Yo, what up, Sleeper? I was actually down like $400 and something in my funded account on this dip. I was down. I was in 2 contracts, and I was like, "Fuck it," and then I held it all the way to come back. I was like, "What the fuck am I doing?" Oh man. Damn, Sleeper, you got it. Just don't do anything stupid. Ooh, almost freaking 10 contracts. No. Yo, just don't lose, man. You got it. Just don't lose. Oh, baby. Oh, give me that green freaking dildo candle. One more. One more for daddy. Oh, I turned this account green. Yo, I'm telling you, it was down $400 and something just before. Actually, you can see, look, I bought one up here, and then I bought another here, and then we dumped. And I was like, mother F, I am gonna blow this freaking funded account by then I was gonna blow this funded account on Thanksgiving morning. It was crazy. But nope, we back. We back. We back green. Rosales, what up? What up? Free longs, baby. Free longs. No, not trading today. I I understand. I understand. I think on days like today, you could play the range and just buy on dips, sell on the pops, and you can just go back and forth. Because it's mostly algo driven, that I just feel like that's worked for me in the past. 60% of the time it works every time. So I'm probably going to stick with it. Also, I'll just show you. So the 5-minute, obviously, if we get below 57, this does not look good. Under 57 is definitely not no bueno. What up, Nizam? But when you look at like the big time frames, 4 hour looks like it's going to push, you know, I thought we would come up to halfway up this candle and reject, actually. So if you zoom out, say I zoom out to the 1 hour, I mean, you're back over a lot of things. You know, I assume we're not going to make new highs, but I would like to see us. This is the break point from yesterday. It's 904 is the break point. That's where it had to hold. Look, it bounced, it bounced, it bounced. And then when it finally broke, that was the area. I want to see us, I think we're going to go retest it. I feel like there's a magnet to like 904. And then once we retest that, I think you'll probably see it come back down. Oh, shit. Dude, who's going to pass some evals? Happy Thanksgiving to everybody in the room, man. To everybody, even if you're not celebrating. Go have a turkey leg or something. You know? Dude, honestly, turkey's not even the best thing. I don't even think turkey's top 5 things you eat on Thanksgiving. How's that sound? I want to say stuffing is probably number 1. You got that cranberry shit that's up there too. That's a top 5. You got the mashed potatoes with the marshmallows. You got what else do we got on Thanksgiving that's better than turkey? Yo, mac and cheese. Yo, cream spinach. By the way, I'm not even eating until Thanksgiving. We eat at like I go to my dad's house at like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I'm not eating until then. Bro, what up, Joseph? What up? What up?
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Diddy Fading King. Dude, I'm taking that money and I'm going to play it again. I'm going to pass the eval. I would like to get this account over. Do not come. Do not come.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm going to come.
So I'm doing the Cove Concepts account again on Monday, without a doubt. Monday we'll do the Cove Concepts account and see if that takes us to the promised land or not. Did Jay watch my video yesterday? I was on the phone with him while I was loading it up. Yo, it's the easiest way not to get fucking. I told him. I think there's a place for prop firm. Like you should always have prop firm accounts, but you should also take some of your money and put it to a live account, without a doubt. It's funny, that video got the most amount of dislikes out of any video I've made. Nice, Baba. Nice. Yo, I'm telling you, Apex is gonna come out with something. I don't care about dislikes. I just saw it and it was something that was interesting. It was very interesting. What up, Rob? What up? Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. So what, dude? So there was that. There was the cranberry sauce, cream spinach, the yams. They're all better than the turkey. I was just in 10 minis, Keyson. Yeah, I was just in 10 minis. Yo, what up, Sweet Al? What platform am I using? This is Tradeovate. I have my trading view where I actually make my trading decisions on. And I have a couple of different setups that I use. That's why I have different tabs. Each tab has different things on it. See, normally this is a great setup to the upside. This is the 15-minute chart right here. You hammered and then you're breaking over it at 70, 74. Normally this would get a push up. Yo, 10 minis is a bit risky. Yo, what is that? Like Austin Powers says, I love to live dangerously. Also, when he's at the blackjack table, when he stays at 5, and the other guy, I think he hits at like 10. He had 17 and he hits. Do you recommend a particular broker? I need to open up an individual futures account. I have AMP. I don't know if I'm staying with AMP, but I would use AMP, Ninja Trader, or I guess Tradeovate has their own platform also. I don't actually know which one's the best. I traded with E-Trade for over a year, and the commissions are awful. So I pushed to. I went to AMP. I'm taking a $500 payout just from what I made this week, and you know, I find it. You should have. So I like it because I cherry pick the very best setups of the day, which is interesting, which I should be doing with all my funded accounts. I locked myself out 500 away from passing an eval, lost 1,100 on my first red day. I'll never trade. Dude, yeah, I mean, I would only trade accounts that you kind of don't worry about, I guess, because it is holiday. Like we dumped before out of nowhere, and then we bounced right back up. And I thought I was going to blow a funded account. You got to do the pinky pose when you do 10 minis. Well, the mini me thing. I think today's the day for 10 minis since it's slow and won't get up. Yeah, I don't know. I just like slamming them. You know, like you said, you're not moving around a lot, so might as well. Dude, Baba, that's a good idea. It's a real good idea. But I think there's a time and place for a live account with your own money and prop firms. I cherry pick my plays on the AMP. like yesterday, I think I took 1, maybe 2 trades in it. And the day before, I only took 1 trade in it. So I'm taking like the best setup of the day in the AMP account, which I probably should be doing and copy trading all my funded accounts and just taking the best trade of the day and waiting and waiting and waiting. Like, for argument's sake, I actually just posted it on Twitter. I'll show you guys, actually. Like, this was the best setup yesterday. We basically trended down. All you have to do is make the trend line. We broke the trend, and you had a lower high. So you had a lower high here. And then once we broke here, I actually took that trade. And you could just, I stopped out, I think, even, or I think I stopped out even, or maybe I just scalped it. I kind of forget. And then we continued down, and then we swept the lows. And then once we came back, that was sweeping the lows to me, and then coming right back in was bullish. And then once we break over here, you would take it green. Your first target would be this high, would be your first target. And then your second high would have been this target. And then I was probably, you know, that to me would be done. Obviously, we kept running, but, you know, it's just keeping it simple. You know, you could have even made your stop loss down here, but this was the real support that we swept. So that would have been it. This is a 1-minute chart. If you want to follow me, Cove Trader on Twitter. Any strength in the market? Yeah, I mean, we're up 0.3%. I feel like we're going to dump at some point due to an algo dump, and then kind of pop back up just like we did right here. And hopefully I don't get caught in it like I did right here. You have a Discord channel just for the AMP personal account. It could be a cool project to grow a small account. I can add just anytime I take the AMP. Anytime I take the AMP trades, I can post it in here. That's the Discord. It's free. Nothing I do. I don't charge for anything, so everything's free. Like I said, if you want to support the channel, use the coupon code. Other than that, everything is free. Discord's free, Twitter's free. I don't have any premium services, or I never will. I enjoy just the community and hanging out with everybody, you know. I used to do this by myself back in the day. Buy yourself trading is really cool, and it's really rough at the same time, and you really learn a lot about yourself. I guess I'll trade. You learn a lot about yourself trading by yourself. I used to have a big whiteboard in my, so I had an office, not where I am now, but I had a big whiteboard like behind me, and then I had another one on the side, and I had like all different stocks, prices I wanted in, what I liked. Like, it was almost like a spreadsheet. This is like 2007, 2008. Actually, you know what? It wasn't a whiteboard. I used that whiteboard paint on the wall is what I used. It was just coming. It was like brand new at the time. And I painted the wall whiteboard, and I was writing on the wall. That's what I was doing. Dude, I'm doing Cove Concepts starting Monday. I'm going to start at 100 points. 100 points. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna run it. Yeah, so that, and then I ended up, after probably like a year, I found a couple of guys that, you know, what up, Ed? After a year, I kind of found a couple of guys like on some forums and stuff like that, and we made a a room that you could all talk on. It was actually on Pal Talk. I don't know if anybody even remembers Pal Talk or if it's even around. And we set up a chat room there, and there was, I don't know. Are you doing Covito concepts for prop or personal? It's a prop firm thing. You'll see it. I'll do it on actually, I passed an account. One of these is over. So this account is over. I will, you know what? I'll pay for this account right now. And that's the account I'll do Cove concepts with. Starting on, what up, Carlos? I'll do Cove concepts on this new account starting on Monday. You need range for Cove concepts. You can't end trading at 1 o'clock and it'd be a holiday. Yo. Carlos, what do I trade on? I have Tradeovate, Volumetrica, and then I make a lot of my decisions on TradingView. I think TradingView is the best piece of software you could have as a trader. They probably have a Black Friday deal. I think if you enter anywhere close to the 200 today, you'll probably be fine. That's kind of what I'm looking for, is just to come back to the 200, and I'll probably just ride that, hopefully to the promised land. I think I have a coupon code on TradingView that actually saves you money. Oh, shit. Let me see. So you get $15 extra on top of the Black Friday sale if you want it. That's what it is. So you get $15 on top. The Black Friday sale, 70% off. I'm seeing if I can can I upgrade? It's 70% off plus, dude, plus 1 month free. That's really freaking cheap. What is that level? Sweet Al. The 200 moving average. It's this yellow line. I just feel like we're going to kind of bounce off this yellow line as we move up through the day because it's mostly algo driven. Also, if you look, we're kind of flagging. I can see us kind of just going up. I mean, this is the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart looks like we're going to head up to maybe it's such a small range. I mean, you'd be looking for 78, which is 4 points up. The real move would bring you to 88 in this zone. I'm a little disappointed in the Black Friday sale so far. Yeah, I thought we would get a better degenerate driven. Holy shit. There you go. Look at that fucking, oh my God. Dude, look at that green dildo right there. If you're in, I would probably be taking profits on a candle like that on a day like today. The odds are they're going to sell this down. The odds are they're going to bring it back down. That's an algo-driven candle if I've ever seen one. Oh, you know what? It's 9:30. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't. Yeah, I bet, Carlos. Well, what did I say? I said this was the target. This was the range I was looking for. 88 to 90. Let's see what happens. Might blow past it. Just got 4K in an eval. Boom, Ray. So how this script works, it usually targets the standard deviation moves. You know, so it's looking for that range. 2.5 is usually the sell point. And then the highs are way up, but can you explain why it happened? Any news? No, at 9:30, it just the market just opened. Can I explain why we just popped? It's just the market opened in this. It's algo, so it's probably just a bunch of buy orders hit, and there's not enough sell orders, so it jacked it up. But you just got to watch out that they just don't sell it down on you. I will say though, this Black Friday, I'm gonna see if I can upgrade. I think I pay $24 a month actually. If I pay $24 a month, I'm upgrading right now. Damn. I'm gonna look right now. I got 200 and something days left. I obviously did a deal. Yeah. Daddy's gonna change the plan. It might flag here. Dude, I've never seen TradingView so cheap. I'm actually saving $100, $130. That's crazy. This might flag and move up. So if you look, watch this. You want to see the if I go to the 4-hour, I'll just show you what I was looking at last night. So this is why you got to zoom out and look at bigger time frames. You can see the 4-hour chart breaking over this candle after you hammered, kind of consolidated, and then you start moving over. When you break over this candle at 63, that's really bullish. Signifies a definite trend change. And then I was targeting the top of this candle, which was 930. But I don't know what was going to happen because it's Thanksgiving and who knows what's going to happen. You know, that was my thesis behind going long in all this mess. Check Discord. Let me look. Hold on. I just checked out of I just bought TradingView on their Black Friday sale. Black Friday sale is 70% off. It was saving me over $10 a month. I think it was saving me $12 a month, and I got the higher plan, the highest plan they had. That's awesome. Check the Discord. Yeah, that's what I just did. Yeah, 70% off. It was, yeah. If anyone's not in, feel free to go in. I don't want to, you're not missing. In 1 hour, I saw the 3-bar reversal, and that's why I went long. Yeah, I think when you zoom out, yeah, well, that's kind of what I was talking about, Carlos, is this is algo driven. So a lot of times when it goes up that fast, it's going to come back and backfill, and then you'll probably go back up. But you typically get a backfill. Like I would say at 78, I'll probably, let's see if we hit 78. I want to see them algo drop it down in this zone and then pop it. Come to Papa. Yeah, see, it's algo. There's probably a couple of gaps. You got this massive fair value gap right here that's probably going to trade into like it is. Let's start firing this bad boy up. I just grabbed a 4-piece. Let's see if we get filled on the way down. Trading was my main source of income for about 3 years. Back in 2007-ish, 2008-ish, till about 2011 trading was my main source of income. And then 2011 till 2012, I started a business and it wasn't my main source of income anymore. I actually had to pause trading in 2012 for a bit because I was working so hard on my business. And then I picked it back up in 2017, primarily trading options in 2017, all the way through probably till 2022, early 2023. And then I started trading futures in my E-Trade account also. So I was doing options, stocks, and futures. And then I kind of ran into prop firms at the end of 2023. And that's what led me to where we're at right now. My primary, like, people who are on the stream all the time, like, I made 11 grand last week in options. And I show what I'm in every day. I talk about what I'm in every day. People on the stream every day know what the deal is. And I'm completely open about when I lose, when I win. Example, I think I made 1,400 on Monday, and then I lost 2,300 on Tuesday, and I was open. I showed everybody my losses. It is what it is. And then on Wednesday, I basically made like 1,000, which kind of put me even on the week. And that's where I'm at. I mean, I don't expect to really make a lot of money during Thanksgiving week. But I just had a great week last week. And that's it. And I made $500 in my AMP account this week. So, you know, it is what it is. But I definitely make a good amount of money trading every year. I make enough that you can definitely live a really comfortable life. Like, I make really good money trading. Any beginner trader advice? Start small, man. Start small. Do not get into, like, if you get into options trading for whatever reason, do not get into buying 0 DTE options and shit like that. I can have a whole conversation about that, but I would say start small, play small, learn, watch videos, paper trade if need be. That's where I would go. My biggest go-to option strategy is selling cash secured puts. So let's see. I'll bring it up. Come on, fucking bring this up. Break this down. Oh yeah, see how it's breaking this downtrend? $80. That's in a funded account. Boom, 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 boom. Freaking locking in gains here. You got to remember also, if you're trading your real money, you cannot have emotions about it. That's another thing for newbies. Like, you can't be like, oh man, like, you got to look at the chart and don't look at your P&L. Just focus on your strategy. Don't FOMO into trades. So don't even look at the, actually, this is better. I'll just show you my positions. This is what I'm in. I'm in the market with less than 20% of my portfolio is in the market, just so you get a idea. But yeah, this is what I'm in. Majority I sell. Sometimes I'll do something like this where I'll finance. So I sold puts, which then financed a call vertical, which cost me only $400, but I can net a lot from it. You know, selling puts like master options are juiced. I'm selling them all day. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I do. I have shares of certain things, a couple call options. Like, even this is short dated for me. Usually, like, that's what I'm looking at. Like May options. If I buy premium, I'm out so many months. But I'm super open. What up, Ivan? I'm super open about everything, though. Like, if you want to know, like, I talk about on the stream when I buy things, when I sell things, like, the idea is to be open and honest with people. You're never going to see me, like, honestly, I don't buy anything that's like 0 DTE. So I'm not like, oh, I made 8,000% today, because that's not realistic. Like, I'm just being honest with you. Somebody that's been doing it for a very long time, it's just not realistic money. Yeah, that's true. I didn't even think about that. There's no holiday for them at all. Dude, they're working on freaking they're working on your Christmas gifts right now, bro. They're full steam ahead right now. See, like, I think we're going to hit our head up here. Just working it. You know, this was a simple trend break if you look. I mean, nothing super special about it. We broke the trend and you popped, and this is going to be the resistance, obviously. This is the top high of the day. I just moved my stop if they end up popping it through with an algo candle. Why did I get into trading? Honestly, when I first got into trading in 2007, it was to make a lot of money. I'm not even going to sit here and lie about financial freedom or like time. Dude, it's an all-in type thing. I mean, I just traded a funded account with 1 mini, but if I'm trading evals, I'm going pretty heavy. I like the knowledge of looking into companies and finding undervalued assets. That's what I really enjoy doing. Finding companies that have a lot going for them, but the street or the market does not even realize it yet. And I'm noticing it before they are. By looking at trends, by looking at what you're using, what I think the future is going to hold. And I enjoy doing that. That's why I enjoy investing in options and selling puts and doing all types of stuff in the actual financial market. You know, and then this trading prop firms is more just technical, like where this is a technical space where, you know, I'm playing trend breaks, I'm playing, fair value gap, inverting fair value gaps for a pop, pivot points. You know, the chart looks crunched up because we're not really going anywhere, but, you know, there's definitely great. Where's my TP? I'm out. I'm out of that trade. Yeah. My TP would have been high a day right here. That would have been my take profit. So these blue lines are basically they'll keep moving through the first hour of the market. I play a couple orbs during the normal trading session. I'll play the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the hourly range, and I'll play breaks or liquidity sweeps and then back in. I try to keep trading as simple as I can. If you complicate it with like, oh, if this happens and this is this, like you're never gonna freaking be able to do it. You keep it super, super simple, and you don't need to make a lot of trades in a day. I would rather size up and make 1 trade a day than sit here and make 20 trades with micros. I feel like when I'm on the stream, I trade a lot more because you guys want to see the action. So I try to keep it as action filled as possible. If we break over this, see, so we're at resistance and we're kind of flagging here. You might get an algo pop. The only issue to me on a normal trading day is we're right below 900. So maybe we go up to 900 and reject at least the first time. But yeah, being on the stream, I take a lot more trades than I'm supposed to. Let's be real. I don't even know what dude, the YM's not. We're not even at high a day yet. It did just bounce. Jeez. Dude, the Russell's ripping. See, this is like a fake. Somebody just got faked out because they put their order. This is a liquidity sweep for you guys. Look at this. So this was the high, right? Somebody put a buy right above the high to get the breakout. And what they did is they came up, they grabbed these orders, and then they swept it back down. Sometimes when it breaks this high, you should actually put a short in right here, because if they sweep it and come right back down, they're going to sell the shit out of it. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. That was a liquidity sweep, and now they're selling it. Plus, you're oversold on the one right here. That move made complete sense. But, you know, we're trading algos on freaking Thanksgiving morning. I mean, I don't you're going to get a lot of overshoots today anyways, because there's less orders in, less of everything. By the way, if new people are on the stream, welcome to the stream. Come on, state your name. I imagine there's new people here because it's Thanksgiving morning. Come say what's up. Come say what's up. Everybody's welcome to talk in the chat. Dude, 44% of the people think turkey is the best Thanksgiving food? Oh, I didn't see that coming. I actually had the best turkey I ever had. I had to be in Florida for work one Thanksgiving. I went down there for a wedding, and then I stayed down to do some business. And my business partner down there cooked a turkey in butter and then smoked it. It was the best turkey I ever had. I mean, it wasn't healthy by any means, but this thing was freaking crazy. Yo, what up, Ben? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody on the stream. But Ben, I believe this might be the first time on the stream. Welcome. Chat's open. Feel free to ask any questions, say what you're in. It's an open forum for anybody. I got 22 on the smoker right now. Been on since, yeah. Dude, he did a pan of butter underneath the turkey. So as the smoke got in there, the butter evaporated into the turkey. And I think he stuck a stick of butter inside the turkey's ass while it freaking cooked. You know, I guess that's his ass or his head, whatever the big hole is. I think it's his ass. And he put a stick in there and then a stick underneath along with seasonings. Dude, this thing was juicy as shit. It was awesome. I also had a brine turkey. Never had a brine turkey before. I had a brined one. Yo, I can't add any more, man. I tried to add more things to the poll. It won't let me. I was going to add the cranberry shit on it. Was going to be one. Green bean casserole is good. Yeah, brining it was freaking amazing, man. We're going to pump this. I'll grab a 3 spot, and if it comes down, I'll add 3 more. Comes down for an algo. And I'll just add 1 in the middle for shits. Making profits today, though. Like, honestly, if I don't trade today, like I missed out 139 in this funded account, 92 in this fund. Like I missed out on money. Remove turkey. It's create more people like the turkey though. I can't get behind turkey being the best. You tell me a turkey's better than marshmallow sweet potatoes? You guys are crazy. Crazy, crazy. The spreads, yeah. Yeah, you could see it. It's like overnight trading. Yeah, it's basically like overnight trading. You're going to pay a premium to get in. That's why I kind of like limit orders today more than just marketing in. Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Marshmallow sweet potato. Dude, what about being that one guy at Thanksgiving who just scrapes the fucking top of it and then just slaps it on your plate? I don't even need the bottom. I just want to scrape the top. Ooh. Are you talking about Elliott waves, Ben? I got to bring up a daily chart for that. It's so funny. In prop firm land, you might be the first person in my chat that brought up Elliott waves. I've never physically drew them out. I'll throw some on. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it looks like. Shut my stuff off. Does any of them draw it out? None of them draws it out. That's crazy that these indicators don't work. I think we're high no matter what, Ben. I think this is the last push, personally. So there's a couple economic things that I think are going to come to a big issue. One's the U.S. debt is going to be big. Do you guys ever go to true inflation? I'm looking for the thing. It's like the inflation is actually coming back and people don't even realize it. What up, Reactor? Good morning, Kitty. Yeah, credit card debt. I think credit card debt reached an all-time high recently, which is, if you think about it though, like credit card debt is at an all-time high. There's a lot of companies that are laying people off, right? You know, that's the big thing now. Everyone's laying people off. You got a lot of tech companies laid people off. Now you got like Boeing laying people off. Like people are getting laid off. Housing is almost unaffordable. Housing went this way and the income has just been going slow. Everything that you would think about is coming. A lot of things are coming to a freaking not a great area. I was looking for them to draw it on the chart, the waves, but I can't get it. This is not the Elliott wave that we are talking about. But anyways, yeah, tariffs are going to be interesting on a lot of the big name companies. There's a lot of things that are going to happen that you guys, the underlying on the market is going to be, you got to also remember, like, we are way up. It's fine. It's pretty much what it is if you look. Like, this was the COVID drop, right? It only dropped this little amount compared to they dumped so much money in the system, it caused this. And then things corrected itself over a 2-year period. And then literally, I drew this, by the way. I fucking called the bottom of the market. Just about the bottom of the market. I mean, when we broke this right here, that was for me to start freaking getting in positions. I remember drawing this. I remember this run up. I fucking banked so much money on that run up. But yeah, and then we have this massive climb. Like, if you think about it, since 2003, so what is it, 2 years? The market's almost doubled. I mean, we doubled in 2 years. Seems like things are coming to a top. I want to see a year like this. I want to see a year where we downtrend, maybe back to 400 land, back to 22 highs. You know, not in a drop. What you don't want is this. You don't want this. You want drops, bounce, chop, drop, and just slowly make its way down. But before all this, because this is probably when you guys started trading, this is what the markets fucking look like. This is what the markets look like. We grinded up. You just consistently grinded up, but it was just grind. You don't have massive pops. And then every once in a while you get a pop off and then you drop it. You know, you get some volatility and then you go back to just grinding. You know, that's what the markets used to look like. Now look at this shit. This shit's more volatile than ever before. I personally think we're going to have a year or longer of either consolidation or kind of trending back down a little bit. Things that also alerted me was like NVIDIA had amazing earnings and the stock has gone nowhere after. Their earnings were great and now they're down. It just goes to show you that where we are, it's just kind of, you know, where we are, I would be cautious about holding a massive amount of stock. You know, and you just do things to protect yourself. If you have stock, I would be selling calls against my stock to just kind of protect myself. You know, there's always going to be winners in the market, though. I have no idea what the fuck just happened there. There's always going to be winners. Like, you're always going to get stocks going up. But, you know, overall, I just think that things need a breather. So I think Bitcoin is going to have a blow off top, and then we're going to go back to dumping on it. So I think you're going to have the blow off top where you go to like, yeah, 110, 115, maybe 125. And then it's going to be like, it's kind of going to look like this. Like, this is MSTR. Like, you're going to have just a blow off top for like maybe 3-4 days where you're just gains. And then as fast as it just went up, it's just going to come back like 20, 30%, and then you're going to slowly grind down. Is Apex working today? What, you mean like customer support, or do you mean like the website? What are we talking about? The customer support or website? Uh-oh. Yo, you can always grab one micro and just fucking say that you're in. I actually have to trade an account. I have to trade a funded account in Bullnox right now. You need payout help? What do you need payout help? Did they not pay you? Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I have to buy and sell something real quick. Ask the government for a payout. I assume they're not working today. That's what I would assume. Yo, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I had that stupid PC Richard whistling thing in my head all day yesterday. Wait, what PC Richard thing? PC Richard? Yo, I just traded my freaking Bullnox funded account, made $15. I am out on that. I just needed to get a day in. You were approved on the 25th of the month? Yeah, so they're going to send you your money. It's going to take them a couple days to send you your money. You'll get it, though. It's like the whistle theme. I think they play it during the Yankee games. And I need a market thing to the whistle theme. Somebody did that J.G. Wentworth thing like years ago, and it's stuck in my head every time. It's just literally stuck in my head. I can't get it out. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. What up, bull breakers? Yeah, if you need money, they're probably not. All banks are closed today, Nizam. So they're probably not sending you your money today. They'll probably end up sending you your money tomorrow or Monday. Apex is the Eddie's Easy Computer Store today. Dude, do you remember freaking Easy Eddie's? I thought it was the carpet guy. It was like one big fraud. Dude, somebody just put the YouTube something in there. I don't know where it went. Yo, you could post a YouTube link in here. I don't care. Dude, this shit's super open, man. No one's getting the boot. Oh, geez. I can't play this on here because I'll probably get copyright infringement.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
But I can play that. Oh, you have to be a mod to post links? Interesting. I didn't know that. I was gonna say, because dude, we're super open here. I don't care if you post a link. Dude, I have a freaking my soundboard. I love it.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
I do not have PC Richard on the soundboard. I just looked. Yo, when somebody new comes in the room and they start asking a ton of questions about my trading plan,
Just a yes or no, you still do not have a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
I have concepts of a plan. Yeah, on YouTube, I'll look at it. Oh, you know what? Dude, YouTube's such a bitch about copyright. Like, I'll play that 5 seconds on here, and then they'll mark my video as copyright. And then I'll have a YouTube issue. So stupid. What up, Mo Trades? Yeah, I'm on here full time. I'm on here every day at 10:30 in the morning till about noon. I go eat lunch, and I come back here at 2 p.m. to about 4:30 every day. We do account giveaways like 3 or 4 times a week. And yeah. Yeah, we do it up in here. I trade full time. It's not my only source of income, but I trade full time. I trade options, stocks, prop firms. Yeah, bull breakers. Yeah, dude, it's super freaking chill, man. Anything it's just like a fun environment where we make money. You know, you kind of joke around. Dude, I'm gonna butcher this freaking. Is that Elia? Elia is the name. Elia, I think. I thought the market was closed today for American Thanksgiving. Nah, it's open until 1 p.m. John, no trades? No trades today? I'm gonna make somebody's Thanksgiving better today. Let's just fuck it. We'll duck race today. We'll duck race today. We'll do a giveaway. Why not? Let's freaking help somebody out. Somebody gets a free account here. I'm not even. There'll be no. You don't even need points to enter. This is just a free for all. Just somebody's gonna win an account. Mine's well, man. We'll duck race. We'll have some fun. It's the holiday, man. I want to give somebody a free account. You know, I'm feeling thankful, man. I'm so glad. I enjoy this every day doing this stuff with you guys. It's not hard. It's pronounced like R&B singer that died. Aaliyah. Fuck, man. I'm so bad. I'm gonna put it in Google. Hold on. How to pronounce? Please tell me. Yeah, Aaliyah. Yeah.
Aaliyah.
Boom. I had it. Hey, man, I don't want to call people the wrong name. Yeah, in the plane crash, I think, right? Dude, I love that Google tells me how to pronounce some of your names because obviously everybody here is not from the US, so you get some other names, and I'm so bad at it. What up, Javier? What up? Yeah, dude, she was a good singer, man. She was good. What group was she part of? She was solo? Oh, maybe I'm thinking about Left Eye. Yeah, maybe I'm thinking about Left Eye. But Aaliyah was, yeah, plane crash. I remember her. Yeah, Left Eye was TLC. Yep. One of them, like, their plane was like stocked with way too much weight, is what happened. They put all this stuff in the plane. Dude, my brothers have been trading crypto for like since 2007, not 2017, 2018. And I'm going to see them at Thanksgiving, and I just know they're going to that's all they're going to talk about is crypto. Crypto, crypto, crypto. You should have bought, you know, spam coin or whatever the fuck they're buying. Oh, Left Eye was a car crash. Okay, so then yeah, Aaliyah was the plane one where it was like in the Bahamas or something, I think. Tell them about the free longs, dude. Yo, if you don't know about the free longs, I mean, you just got to find out about the free longs. Free longs and the free shorts. Does anybody know what it actually means yet? Yeah, crypto is the super gambling degenerate market. Yeah, Folly. That was, oh, baby. Pump it. Pump it. Give me the Pelosi pump right now. By the way, when you're trading holiday markets, you always want, now that we're starting to move up, you always want to put sells in, because what could happen is you can get one big algo candle that flashes up and flashes down. So make sure you have sells in. Just like you got an algo candle here, you can easily get a quick algo candle up and down, and you want to get your fills. Apex will sure do 90%. They're desperate scum and need to rake in the sales. I mean, I trade with them. If they deny my payouts, they deny my payouts. That's why I trade with 4 different prop firms. They changed the rules recently, and people have gotten denied payouts. That's all. I mean, if you stick to the rules, you're not going to have an issue. Bro, did you see that email? They emailed people the Black Friday deal was to go buy trading computers. Are you kidding me? Their website kind of shows that they're going to put a deal up tonight. In 13 hours, they're going to drop a deal. Shit better be 90% off. There hasn't, so the only Black Friday deal in prop firm land that I saw that was like, that's going to probably be the lowest they're going to do is Tradeify. I got an account. I only got one. It was 45% off. So I got this funded account for 206. Honestly, Take Profit Trader is better. I think is better than Topstep. I think Take Profit Trader in my funded futures is better than Topstep. And I'll tell you, no, it's not new. They just did a Black Friday deal. The reason I like my funded futures is it's the easiest to get a payout early on. It's definitely the easiest. Yo, to get the day out of the way, I'm already 2 days in. I'm not touching that account. I'm not touching any of that. Because Topstep X, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Topstep X. I think Take Profit Trader is the best. The problem with Topstep is you can only take out half your money for 30 days. So taking out half my money is not really something I want to be doing. So Take Profit Trader has no rules, and you can take out money on day one. No, you don't need 10 trading days. I think you need, maybe you do. You need at least 5 because the consistency rule is 20%. So you need at least 5 days, which would lead you to like 6 or 7 anyways. So if I got to trade 10 days, that's not bad. But yeah, Take Profit Trader to me as an overall firm is the very best. I got a 150 with them, and I'm going to get a couple more. I'm literally waiting to see if they do a deal tonight or tomorrow, and then I'm going to load up. I like 50s and 150s. I like 150s with Take Profit because it gives you the higher daily loss limit. Hey, I mean, don't hit the daily loss limit. I mean, it's pretty fucking high. Like on a 50K account, it's half your drawdown. I mean, if you're losing half your drawdown in a funded account in a day, you should actually look at your trading and not blame the prop firm, to be 1,000% honest with you. If you're losing half your drawdown in one day, you should look at your trading and not the prop firm. No, you got to use the coupon code. Why is it $700? It's not $700 by any means. It's not $700. You save 40%. It should be $102 is what it should be for a 50K. Uh-oh. In Canadian it is? Anybody in Canada here? Yo, Alaya, when you go there, put that coupon code in and see what it brings it down to. Go to a 50K. Go get a 50K. You don't have to pay for it. I'm just saying go to checkout and put my coupon code in and see what it brings it down to. There's the link. It should bring it down significantly. 50Ks are only $102 in the US. Yeah, you shouldn't be paying, you shouldn't be anywhere near $700. That's crazy. Yeah, it should be $102. And what's 102 US to Canada? I'm curious if they charge you more for Canada. That's kind of what I'm wondering. So 102 in Canadian dollars is like $143. So I guess it should be 143 for a 50K account in Canada. Yo, all I'm going to say is if we hit this, I called it. 720 last night, and I called 970 was the top. I'm curious if we hit 970. Oh, you were in my funded futures? Yeah. Yeah, if you're in my funded futures, you're looking at the milestone account then. I only use the starter accounts in my funded futures. My fund it's what do you call it? The starter accounts are, if you pay by Plaid and use the coupon code, it's $75 or $76, and you can get them funded. I recommend doing the starter. It's the cheapest plan that they got. Starter 50Ks. That's what I have right here. Actually, this is a funded starter 50K. Yeah, if that's that much, I would use the 50Ks then. I didn't realize the Canadian dollar was so much off of the US dollar, because at one point it wasn't. Really went the other way. I might take this right here. I might sell 3. Oh, dude, did I just sell that in the right time? Dude, that's crazy. Does Take Profit have Trade Evade? Yeah. This right here is Take Profit Trader. This is Take Profit Trader. So on slow holidays like this, you can kind of play the oversold, overbought. Plays more into it on these types of days. 850. Hey, I appreciate Manuel. I appreciate the support to the channel. That's what allows us to give back all the free accounts every week. I'm $1,000 from Pro Plus. Yeah. So what you made $4,000 in Pro already, right, Nism? Damn, they didn't come down and fill me. That's awesome. Dude, Aaliyah, the coupon code's free. It only saves you money. It doesn't cost you anything. The coupon code saves you money on different prop firms. It doesn't cost you anything at all. It's just to save you. Like on Take Profit Trader, it saves you 40%. On Apex, it saves you 80%. On my funded futures, it could save you, I think, I don't know what the percentage is, but it'll drop it down a little bit depending on what platform, what one you use, and how you pay. Yeah, that's pretty much what it does. It only saves you money. It doesn't cost anything. Yo, what up, Mohammed? What up, what up? Man, it's pouring out by me all day today. If this was snow, Thanksgiving would be canceled. Yeah, 48 people hanging out. Yo, if anybody new is here, come say what's up on the stream. Say what's up. Reveal yourself. We're just hanging out. Oh, the PC Richards song. Oh, why did that happen? If you want to, I mean, that's where you can find me if I'm not on the stream. For anybody new, I stream every day. I stream every day, 10:30 in the morning, and again at 2 p.m. So smash the subscribe button. Actually, if you subscribe, you're going to show up on the stream. Yo, I appreciate it, Ace. But yeah, we stream every day, twice a day. It's a good environment. We make money, hang out, have some fun, play sound clips. Dude, we're going to do a duck race in a little bit. Anybody that comes back,
thank you for your vote of confidence.
your trade, mine flickered before. Oh, come on. Come right in the zone. What up, Paul? Just kind of just grinding up. I mean, I feel like we're getting like a pullback might happen, but I mean, it's Thanksgiving Day, so we just got some algos messing around. Yo, I guess before anybody leaves, we'll duck race in like 10 minutes, just so anybody that needs to get going for Thanksgiving doesn't miss out. Sounds good, right? Sounds good to everybody? We'll do a... So if you're new, a duck race, if you see anybody duck racing, it started right here. But we give away a free account. Oh, don't throw it away, Joe. Trade with confidence. You got it. It's us against the firms. So I'm going to get some water in my water bottle. And you got 10 minutes. Oh, how does it work? Dude, do put this in. Exclamation point Cove Trader. And you'll be added to the duck race. And then we're going to race on the screen live. Everyone gets a duck. And it's random who wins. And whoever wins wins a free account, man. So I'm going to do it in 9 minutes. At 10:45, I'm going to do it. It's all, we do this like 3 or 4 times a week. It's just for fun. Tomorrow's another holiday. I don't know if I'll be able to do it tomorrow, but I'll be right back. I'm just going to fill up my water bottle. We're back. Filled up my hydrogen bottle. Oh, wow. What up, Nick Parker? Very expensive hobby for you. No. What up, Jimmy Trades? We got Paul. Yeah, there's always tuition in the beginning. I'll be honest with you, it's more mental than anything in the beginning. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I would say the biggest factor is the mental side and selling too soon if you're new, then holding for the bigger gains. Because a lot of times you can you can draw a trend line or you can play pivot points. There's 200, these are just things that are out there. But being able to have the confidence in the trade and stay in is probably what takes the most time. A great example would have been yesterday. I showed this example on Twitter earlier. It was just the bottom, just knowing that, you kind of had a double bottom and then you swept the lows and then we picked it back up. And then breaking over this candle over here is super bullish, knowing that that is a trend change. Sweeping the lows, coming back up, and then passing this last little high is super bullish. And knowing that would help you out. And then, knowing that if it does break down, where to get out, kind of like this, where we did pop, similar situation, high or low, we broke over here. Obviously, I took that. But then I ended up getting out, I think, at some point, and then went back in on this setup. Remember, every setup's not gonna win, but cutting your losses tight and letting the winners ride a little bit and scalping in between helps. Oh, come on, baby. Nizam. What's your strategy, Nizam? Ray wants to know what the strategy is. Oh, dude. No, definitely not. You mean you hide your trades from yourself and then just show you the winners? Come on, push this shit up. Push it. This is what we were talking about before. That's take profit trader. There's no activation fee. Somebody asked about what an activation fee was yesterday. Activation fee is when you pass your evals to turn it to a funded account. Some firms charge you money, like Topstep charges you $148. Take profit trader has no activation fee. So you just go from an eval to a funded account and it doesn't cost you anything. Apex charges you $85. My funded futures charges nothing also. But I just want to throw it out there. Somebody asked that yesterday. Dude, Topstep is the most expensive firm. It's $50 for an account, and then basically another $150 if you pass. Like, that's a lot of money. You can get funded accounts for a lot cheaper. Like, take profit, and then Topstep then only gets you half your money for 30 days. So take profit trader, you get paid out on day one. You can get there's no activation fee. It's just better. I don't know if Nizam's joking around or not. My problem is I make 2,500, 10,000 a day, and then I'll lose 15,000. Dude, honestly, Ray, that's what I used to do in options land. I would have like a $7,500 day and then lose it all the next day. I started taking less setups, like more quality setups. Come on. Come on. Get that for daddy. Come on. Come on. I raised my stop. Let's see if they bring it all the way up to 901. You changing your name? Dude, I remember when it was Ray Balls. I change it back to Ray Balls. But you need like the Z at the end, like BALLZ. Now I'm down $5. Dude, we're crushing it today. I wish every day was like this. I freaking love trading like this. Dude, I'm just up. Too soon, Junior. Oh, okay. We're going to duck race, guys. You got 1 minute to enter. 1 minute to enter. If you didn't enter, you got 1 minute. We're going to duck race. You guys can all see what the duck race is. Everybody in? Everybody in? All aboard! All right. If you're in, you're in. Oh, baby. Here we go. Oh, that's not going to work. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, the inconsistent trader. I'm here. Dude, that's funny, Ray. Dude, where's my duck at? Where's my duck? By the way, if you win, you got 3 minutes to claim the free account. Otherwise, we rerun it again. Just letting everybody know. Run, ducky! Run! Where is my freaking duck? I'm in there somewhere. I'm off the screen. Oh. Oh, no, there I am, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay, middle of the pack. We got it. I always get I like the OG duck. Yo, the Trump duck is hysterical. He hasn't won yet, though. Come on. Boom. You want to be in the back right now. I feel like you want to be somewhere in the back. Dude, I won for the first time the other day. Yesterday, I won for the first time. All right, here we go. The big push. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's going to pop? Somebody's going to come up. Oh, what? Yo, you have till 10:53 to claim it. Otherwise, we run it again. $10.53 to claim it, or we run it again. Once my computer says 10:53, I hit the go button. I am here. Javier, you almost had it, man. First duck race, you almost won. Hey, man, somebody wins a free account today. It makes their day, you know? That's what it's about. Dude, the individual races? I need the account to eat. Well, it's 151. I don't know if he's here. He may not be here. And we'll just rerun it. Oh! Yo, send me an email. I will not rug pull your money. Visible ID 1. Visible ID 1. I will never rug pull your money again. And then the screen shows 1 week later. Sorry, guys, we're out of business, but I accepted your money all the way to the last minute. And I rug pulled you again. Dude, I actually have... The best is the voice note that I got. I got the video. The video is amazing. Let's see if I can get it. Here you go.
I don't know, but here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. We will never put to be.
We will never rug pull your payments again. 1 week, that was a week before he rug pulled the whole firm. Oh man. But we will start a hedge fund with your money, without a doubt. I mean, that's the most obvious thing to do. Why not just start a hedge fund with your money? Not pay you out, not give refunds, and then just pay everybody out, and then just start a hedge fund. I mean, it would have been funnier if he was like starting something else, like I'm buying a chain of massage parlors. I'd be like, that's pretty fucking hysterical. Like, it's just like a hedge fund, dude. Like, you know, Scott's massage. Come get a massage by Scott. You know, it'd be freaking awesome if he did something like that. I'd be like, man, that's awesome. The hedge fund, I'm like, bro, you're just trying too hard. Bunch of coin laundromats. Like, you know how fast he's gonna blow that hedge fund up? Like, let's be real. Do you know? First of all, do you know how much money a real like fund needs? You know, like a real hedge fund. Just put it like this. So my friend started a fund. He needed a minimum. This is a minimum to clear through Schwab was $40 million. That was a minimum just to get like his foot in the door. I don't think Fast Track even has $40 million. So I don't understand how he's starting a hedge fund. Yeah. Also, like, you know, most funds are making like just call it 10% a year. Like, I don't know how much is left in there, but you need to buy like all like offices, you need analysts. Like, there's a whole bunch of things that go into having this thing. Lawyers. Like, his $5 million is not gonna go far. We need to all partner up and start a prop firm too. Dude, that guy runs all the data on prop firms now. Yeah, who's going to invest in that? Nobody's going to. It's dead. He's better off buying laundromats is what he's better off doing. It's just something like that and make money. Dude, I mean, cooking every day. Every day we cooking. Oh, I got something in my eye. Jeez. Dude, I wouldn't trust him washing my undies. Dude, he's shot. I got a video of him blowing a kiss. Like, what the fuck is he doing? Let's see if I can.
I will never rug pull your payments again.
Yo. Here we go.
I will never rug pull your payments again.
Bro, that's Scott. That's Scott. That's Scott blowing everybody a kiss. And it says on the bottom, I will never rug pull your payments again. Bro, the guy's shot. So shot. I will never rug pull your payments again. 1 week later, rug pulled everybody. Oh, baby. Are we going to go for another round here? If this comes back down, honestly, if you look, there's just a channel going on right here and right here, and it's just channeling like this. So as it comes down, I try to get filled, and as it comes back up, that's all that's going on. Nothing too crazy. Boom, boom, boom. Dude, I thought it was going to scoop me up. It didn't come down and fill me. Just missed it. Dude, you're ready. I'm fucking ready, Corey. I'm waiting. The only one that I saw was Tradeify that I would use. Somebody talked about UProfit. You got to be crazy to use UProfit right now. You got to be crazy to use them right now. I heard that they switched the rules up. They're denying it. It's crazy. Dude, I'll give you my my wallet so you could so I can collect payments for you. Yo, just send it to my wallet. Oh man. If you don't want to buy a trading computer, dude, I can't believe they sent out a trading computer as the Black Friday deal. That was like absurd. Like they're making money on that, sending out an affiliate fucking thing. So ridiculous. Oh, what up, Slade? Yo, I thought it was a joke at first. Like, go buy a computer from us. And I was like, where's the 90% off? But there was no 90% off. Nope. Definitely 45 days before payout. Computer thing was ridiculous. I just don't understand why they would do something so stupid like that. Dude, this thing's just grinding up all day. All day. All you got to do is play the range. All you got to do is play the range. I'm waiting for the dip. Apex shining signs. Dude, some guy made a post about that. The problem is they keep changing the rules. And typically when you change the rules, they're not changing the rules because things are going good for them. They're changing the rules because they're not making enough money, or they're not making enough money. Something has changed. I think what's happening, honestly, is these discords and streams are hurting the prop firm industry because somebody comes on, somebody brand new signs up, and say they followed my trades today, right? I mean, you got somebody who's profitable right now. They would have either they could have passed an account, or if they already had a funded account, followed each one of my trades today, and now he made money. And he's not really a good trader. He just followed the guy who he's watching. And I think that's happening more and more, is people are watching profitable traders. So you're creating more profitable traders out of that. Oh man, my eye. I got like an eyelash in my eye. That's what I think is happening. I just feel like people are copy trading more profitable traders more now than ever before. And that's what we're getting. You know, before all the streams, before all the discords, you know, it was just kind of like you kind of traded and, you know, you either made money or most likely did not. Now it's just super easy it's just super easy now. Not super easy, but like if you're just learning, you know, you can definitely just take a couple of trades here and there to help you out, and then you can take your own ones also. Yeah, you definitely need supercars. Definitely need supercars. Without a doubt. Always need supercars. I'm waiting for a little dippy right here. Where's the dip? Waiting to just get in this lower range right here and then just kind of sell back up high. Just a waiting game, especially on the holidays. Jeez. Dude, usually there's a, oh yeah, here we go. You know what's crazy? I'll be super honest with you. Well, under 94 is definitely not great. Under 94. Under 94, I probably short it, to be, now that I'm looking at this. So this is the 1 minute, and this right here is the 15. And I would have shorted that under under there. The problem is it's holiday, so I don't know how far you would have actually gotten. You know, you probably would have shorted under 94, probably would have dropped, and it probably would have dropped to like the 200, which in today's environment is not a big drop, you know. Man, they just popped it. Papa docked it. Jeez. Look at that. What's interesting though is the range is getting smaller and smaller. Like you have this, and now you can see it's getting smaller, smaller. You're basically in a wedge. No, it ends at 1 o'clock, I think. Right? 1 o'clock it ends. Yeah, we're over at 1, which means 2 hours. 2 hours of trading left. I don't know if I'm going to last till the end, but I'll try my best to go as long as I can. Oh, shit. Yo, if you followed any trades today?
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
Yo, when the kids and family want to leave for Thanksgiving dinner, but you're trading.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I called 970. I called 970 last night at 7 o'clock on Twitter. I got the tweet. I called it 970. I told myself also I was going to buy and hold it, and I held it all night, and I actually closed out. Maybe I closed out up here. I forget. Bro, I should have. I called it. Yeah, I would have gotten some drawdown from 25 points of drawdown. But yeah, I think we were right around here, and I was like 970. Dude, if I had 10 contracts, I would have made like
700 billion and $1,300 billion.
But yeah, man, it was right there. 970. Freaking, you know. And the reason why I came up with 970 are you really? You can't be serious. I have a Dell business computer I use. It's freaking, it's a beast. It allows me to stream plus have a ton of stuff on the computer. Like I got I run a lot of trading programs. Like this is just one screen that you see. I have two other 24-inch monitors on my setup, and then I also have a laptop right over here as well. I would look. I mean, Dell Business has been awesome to me. I would probably only buy. I would just stick with what works for me personally. But here, I'll show you why I got 970. I think we're going to go back up to this wick. I'm targeting that wick. This is the 4-hour chart. Honestly, the place to take the trade. So this is why you bring up larger time frames. This was 4-hour chart. We came down, hammered. Once we broke over this hammer at 829, my first target would be right here, which would be 860. We go over 860, then yeah, I'm looking for up here. I mean, obviously I played this the whole way up, so obviously I'm profitable, but and I got worried because it was freaking Thanksgiving night into Thanksgiving Day, so like anything could really happen. But normally I would have held this at least with a smaller size for the big move. And yeah, I mean, I would at this point, like if I got in at 828, like I said, my stop would probably be like the bottom of one of these candles. I'd probably just move my stop up. I probably would have had it at 870, and now it would probably be at 885. And I would just kind of move up as we continue to move up. Because if we get another red candle, that like an engulfing candle, I would be out. Like this didn't go below the bottom of this candle. But we engulf and go below, I would be out. Man, that'd be crazy. Even if we hit 950, 52, I mean, it's an awesome trade. This is an awesome, awesome trade. I mean, you could see right here, like on the 15, you broke over this when we broke over, but when we came back and retested this area, geez. What up, Fred? Yeah, Ben. I mean, I could see us hitting some. Tomorrow, the markets are open till 1 p.m., just like today. I mean, right now, this is, I think, the last fair value gap until you hit on the 15-minute. You're in the 15-minute fair value gap right here. Yo, what up, caveman? Tomorrow markets are open for a short day. Yeah, at 1 p.m. Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome, welcome. No, well, I mean, they'll let you trade till the market's closed at 1. They'll definitely let you trade till the markets are closed. I don't know why I want more chart room. I think we're just riding the 34. Might as well just keep playing it. We're above 900. I don't know if we're going to come down this far anymore. Let the trend be your friend. Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. Let's go. Oh, stretch my back out. Oh, man. Just in case they algo candle this up for whatever reason. Got my sells in. I'm hoping they run some good prop firm deals right now. I'm hoping. I think they will. Yo, Desmond. I mean, yo, you're patiently waiting like 50 and M? Yo, Jawan, what up, what up? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody in the room. Tradeify is the only one that's out. Tradeify is 45% off with my coupon code. I got one account. It's straight to funded. I got it the other day. I did like 150, 160 bucks each day, and I'm just going to walk it up to get a payout. Sean, you're back? Guess who's back again. Yo, welcome to anybody that's new who's joining us that hasn't been on the stream before. Welcome, welcome. You accidentally made 700? Apex has on their website that whatever the deal they're running ends today. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe yes, maybe no. I'm hoping my funded futures runs. I don't like more duck race competition. Yo, we duck raced earlier. We gave out a free account. We'll be doing, if I'm around tomorrow and streaming, yeah, Fred, I might do it tomorrow again. Yo, Zach, they're either going to extend the deal or they're going to go to 90%. That's the only thing they're going to do is that they're going to extend it or do 90%. I think I'm done trading my funded accounts for the day. They're up, and I'm happy that I'm up in my funded accounts. So, but yeah, they just keep extending the deals. I mean, we all know it. And if they ever drop 80%, I'm done buying accounts from them. It has to be 80% or better. Yo, that's Ray. Ray changed his name to the Inconsistent Trader. But yeah, it's
We did it. We did it, Joe.
yo, every time I make a good trade. Oh man. Come on. By the way, I'm willing to lose this account. Just this account is a This is an all-in account for Thanksgiving. Basically started fresh today. So I'm just pass it or not. We're all in. Oh baby, come on. I'm hoping. That's what I'm going for. I wasn't going to even fucking trade this account. This is a funded account. I shouldn't have done this. We all know I shouldn't have done that. I don't even want to look at it. Push it. Push it. Oh, that was a complete Degen move. I shouldn't have even done that. I'll tell you what, this is if they don't run a deal, I will just add more accounts at their current deal because the current deal is decent. Freaking, I just got stopped out. Oh, yeah, I got stopped out. I'll just trade that tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, we're trending up. I'm just, dude, I hope they do. If they don't, listen, the current deal is awesome. 40% no activation fee is pretty legit. But I hope they run one. That's the hope. I hope they run 50% no activation fee. I'll jump on that. Or if they run 40% no activation fee and 50% off resets, like they do the funded resets half off. They ran funded resets half off like last year. It is, dude, that deal is awesome. I don't think people realize it. I don't think people realize it. I think I don't know. They did half off resets last year for funded accounts. So you could have reset a funded account for like dude trading, what up? Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yeah, pretty much. I think they're going to trend it up. Oh, my wife's printing something. I don't know what that noise was. Dude, I don't remember buy one, get one. Dude, that would have been awesome. I would have bought a fuck ton. Made 900 today. That's a solid day. 900 is a solid day. Yo, tell them to push this thing. Bro, if this thing bounces back to 950 and I'm holding,
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
oh. I love the TT squeeze on Think. Yeah, I don't have Thinkorswim. My brokerage is E-Trade. My brother trades with Toss. He's a big Toss fan. I'm on E-Trade. I refuse to move off E-Trade, and it is what it is. But yeah, Toss is. People compare it. I have never used it myself, but people compare it to TradingView. Topstep X is like their own thing, and Tradeovate is a different company. They call it Top Slippage X, as in your fills are not great. I trade Bullnox on there. I got all my Bullnox accounts on NinjaTrader. Yeah, Topstep is just expensive to me. It's $50 for an account. It's $150 to activate the funded account, and then they'll only give you half your profits for 30 days. I would just go to Take Profit Trader at that point, and you could get daily payouts. Which one is better? What's the difference? I would do. I mean, send you a link for what? Take Profit Trader? Bad. Dude, it's $102 with the coupon code. Use coupon code Cove Trader. So I just had it up. There you go. It's 40% off, but you get no activation fee. So you know how Topstep charges you $100? You know how Topstep charges you $150 to go from your eval to your funded account? Take Profit Trader doesn't charge that. There is no funded account fee. It's waived. Not only that, you can take out on day one if you go above the buffer. You can take out on day one, and then after $5,000, they'll move you to Pro Plus, and the profit split's like 90-10. 3 resets for free? No. I wish they did 3 resets for free. But no. But yeah, if you're on Topstep, I would ditch that for Take Profit Trader. Where do you see on their website it says 3 resets for free? Down? I don't see any 3 resets for free. Um, go up. I'm looking for 3. Up higher than at the chart on the bottom. Talking about this. Oh, you can reset your funded accounts 3 times. You got to pay for that, though. Yeah, you got to pay. Yeah. The funded account resets are expensive. But last year they ran a deal. The deal was, oh, they're just fucking dumping this. So the deal was half off funded resets. So you could reset your funded account for $300 last year, which was a pretty good fucking deal. You basically got a take profit trader funded account for $300. Topstep gave me a free 50K account last week. Well, that's good. That's because the Rhythmic account fucked up. There is no fee on to go active right now. To go from a funded eval to a funded account on Take Profit Trader is free. Man, this is fucking crazy. I guess I was right under fucking 94. Just dumped it. This looks bad now. See this hourly? This is a outside hourly candle. This is not fucking good. See how we made a new high and then that's an outside candle on the hourly. That's no bueno. Yeah. I'm probably gonna get the account smoked. Yeah. You can see it. I mean, this is holiday trading. Like, I feel like if I was trading normally, I would have shorted this, but hundred ticks. Yeah, I just, this works for me. I just stick with what works. Am I in here? Oh, I am in here. I'm going to get stopped out. Stopped out. This account's going to go bye-bye. Oh, yeah, this account's gone. I would probably say this blue line is where I would buy. Yeah, what is that? 74, 73? Yeah. That's the bottom of the range today. Yeah, I'm going to full port. If we get down there, Yo, what's up, Sean? What up? What up? My bad. I muted it because my wife wanted something. I'm gonna full port. I'm gonna full port if we come down here. This account, I bought this account to have fun today. If you can't have fun on Thanksgiving Day, I don't know. I bought it to enjoy it so we can have some fun today. I'm up in all my funded accounts here, so I thought today overall was a good day. Listen, all it takes is one algo candle to the upside, and that's it. I'm waiting for some Black Friday sales. Yeah, well, at $150 activation fee plus $50 for an account, I'm probably not buying any from them. For me to be able to take half my money out for 30 days is probably not my thing. Are they doing White Friday? Maybe they're doing Cyber Monday. I don't know, but they're fucking expensive right now, and there's better options. So I'm gonna stay away until it's either cheaper or I'll just keep trading where I trade and keep doing what I'm doing. I don't need them. Dude, his live account that just keeps getting smoked. Dude, my funded futures is, I would say, is the easiest one to take money out of. I would say then I would go to take profit trader if you're getting consistent payouts. Like I took a payout this week from my AMP account, which is my live account. I trade my actual money, and I took money out from there. What up, Lee? What up? What up? Dude, I don't even know what those guys are doing. I wish they had a Twitter alert every time they took a trade so I can just fade them. This is one freaking bear flag. Ah, congrats, man. Congrats, man. A lot of people don't make it a year. So the fact that you made it a year is awesome. Yeah. Dude, walking them dogs, man. Walking them dogs, walking them dogs. What are you? You're in Scotland, right, Lee? Scotland? See, normally I would short this. Honestly, this is probably a short for me right now. This is looking like a short for me. I would put my stop above the 200. Tight stop. The problem is you can definitely get wicked out. It can just wick it. You know. Fuck it. I start with Forex. Dude, Forex is, I tried Forex. I traded Forex. Dude, I traded Forex back in 2000. That was probably the first thing I traded was Forex before I did stocks. The Capitol Grill. Yo, Ray, what state are you in, Ray? Yeah, because they leverage the shit out of you. So you can do what you can, yeah. FX Solutions, I never heard of that. Oh, you're over in St. Louis? What up? Zach, looks heavy, but we are at OTD. Just fucking. That's fine. I just refuse. This is just, I refuse to sell out. Like, I just refuse to sell. So, yeah. I refuse to sell it. That's where I was on that account. But I like I said, I was a short. It was definitely a short right there. But I think if we were trading normal hours, you would have got a bigger move down. Bro, I bought the account to have fun. I knew we were going short. That was the move right there, was to short it. I just refused to sell it. Here you go. You want to see an all-in? 3, 4. There we go. I'm all in. All in. All in if it comes down there. The problem with today is you're not going to get a lot of follow through. Like, in theory, I thought this would be a dump. Obviously, during regular trading hours, you probably would have dumped further, right? And now you're getting the 9 retest right here. Now you could probably reshort this. The stop is above this wick. But it's all algos trading today. So I don't know if it's going to work. You know, this isn't normal trading time. The volume is super low. So I got a Discord? Yeah. Here. If you can't find me on the stream, I stream every day, 10:30 in the morning, and then again at 2. So I do 10:30 to 12, and then again 2 o'clock to 4:30. So We're on twice a day. I just stopped for lunch. But yeah. Yo, I see you in there. I try to post option stuff in there as well. Any people have questions, throw it in the Discord. You know, a lot of times we're live. Like we're live 10:30 to 12 and then 2 to 4:30. So a lot of the time, the majority of the chat is here, and I can show you if you have any questions on live. Dude, you could post whatever you want. Post it in the Discord. I'll take a look. Throw it in the Discord. I don't care. You can't even post links in here. YouTube doesn't let you. Oh. Yeah, man, I don't care. Throw it up. Throw it up, bro. Put it in the Discord. Dude, it's all about just listen. People like it, man. I'm not like, dude, everything I do is for free. I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm not trying to sell you anything. This is just us having fun and making money. Like I'm not like you know, that's all this is about. Having fun, making money, you know, and doesn't cost you guys anything. I mean, that's what it really should be about. Day one day. I still don't know what that means, but it's all good. Yeah, I appreciate it, Kisan. Yeah. Yeah. I try to listen. I try to help out anybody that that I can, whether that's showing you something. Oh, there's tons of scammers, man. Tons. And like I said, everything I do is here. Like I'll put the orders in. Like you're not gonna just see like, oh, I'm up or down without seeing the orders. Like I put all my orders in. I talk about the trades. I talk about what I like, what I don't like, and that's it. I don't like. I think we're gonna break down here. I think we're gonna retouch the bottom orb right here and probably bounce. But it's holiday trading, so who the fuck knows? We got an, you know. The candles are getting slower and slower. You could see we were moving pretty good here, and that was good, and then we just kind of died. Yeah, and you know what? Sometimes I'll talk about it and I'm fucking wrong, man. You know? Sometimes I'm just wrong. Sometimes I do dumbass shit too, where I tell you it's dumbass shit and you watch me do it. Yo, what up, Hollow Point? What up, what up? Appreciate the the subscription, man. Put you out there. I appreciate it. Yeah. I am dude, it's just not only is this honest, I know some of you guys, but I trade options during the day, and I'll tell you what I'm in and what I'm not in as well. Like, I talk this stuff during the day, I'll post about it, I'll tweet about it, and yeah, everything's out in the open, whether I get smoked or I make massive gains. You know about it, and I it's very open. You know, dude, I did a whole I did a whole options thing one weekend for everybody on just the options basics. Yeah, we did a whole options basics on a Saturday morning live one day, and people asked questions and whatnot. Ben, you took a couple small trades. Hopefully you're up. If you're up now, now's the time to don't do anything stupid. Yeah, man. When I made this channel, so I've been doing this since 2007. I've seen all the scams on Twitter, Discord, all the other places. My thing when I made this channel was to put it all out in the open, win, lose. It's out in the open, you know, and you know, and that's it. I trade the prop firms. I trade a live account also with AMP futures. And then I trade options and stocks with my E-Trade account. And it's just out there. Like, you know, I had an awesome week. Last week, I made a little over $11,000 in options. And then on Tuesday, I made another $1,500 on Monday. And then on Tuesday, I was down $3,100 at one point. And I was showing everybody live, I'm down $3,100 today. You know, that's it. And then we bounced back on Wednesday. Yeah, AMP futures. I use them on Quant Tower. I didn't trade it today. Yeah, man. I mean, I got a lot of wins, and you'll get hit every once in a while, man. Keith, first of all, that's awesome, Keith, because those master accounts, if you don't know Bullnox, master accounts are funded accounts. And I appreciate you supporting the channel, man, using my code. I appreciate it. Always appreciate you, man. Yeah, you gotta establish. I think the number one thing when you trade is your entry, because if you get a bad entry, it can skew your bias about a lot of things. Like, argument's sake, we'll just take an example. Like, I don't know, say you shorted below the 34 right here, and you're like, hey man, I think this is gonna dump end of day, and you shorted here, you probably would have been stopped out on this move up, you know. But if you shorted and waited till an actual lower high happened, which I guess this would have been your lower high, you know, and got in at the same place, you would have been in. I think you got to wait and not jump. Make sure your entry is good. You know, like, obviously I didn't try. Yeah, I'm up in most of my accounts today, but like, I traded this account like dog shit. Because honestly, like, if you look, you know, the trend line could have been probably like this is the trend line today. Once you broke that, you should have been fucking out. You know, first of all, this is the hourly trading range. Once you broke back inside that, most of the time you're going to travel down. So not only did you break inside the hourly range, but now you broke the fucking trend line also. everything about this screams short. But I said, fuck it. And I just held. The markets close at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So, yeah, 1 o'clock, everything closes. I got to jump off in a little bit, though, because I'm supposed to leave in about a half hour. But I'm gonna stay on about 10 more minutes. I haven't eaten anything all day on purpose. Once I get to my dad's house, I'm going to freaking chow down. I don't know what time Take Profit Trader closes. It could close at 1. I think it closes at 1. I think everything closes at 1 o'clock. That's probably what time. I've made videos about it before on the channel, but I can run you through it, man. Like, I can take time out of my day and tell you what I'm doing. This is like a holiday trading day. So on this, yeah, they back open at 6 and then it closes 1 o'clock tomorrow. So, basically my EMAs, I use this script, but I use the 8, 34, 200, and 377. I use traditional pivot points. That's these orange ones that you see. I have VWAP, is this white line. I use the ICT concepts. I use the fair value gaps, which are all this. I love this one, the inverted fair value gaps. This one I really like. And then the unicorn model is ICT's unicorn model. I'll show you what this is. So basically, you got to read about their model, but basically it shows it when it comes back and retests an area and then basically wants to, so we were going down, it retested. I think it's a fair value gap, it goes back and retests, or a breaker block. And then continues to trend down. And then the blue, you could see the take profit is the end and your stop loss is up here. I leave that on. I have the previous day high and lows on, and I have breaker blocks on as well. And then on this screen, I use T-Trades. This is the only paid indicator I have. I have T-Trades indicator, which is this. And then I have midnight open, which I'll use not on holidays, but I'll use it normally. Everything is free. Every single one of them is free except for this one indicator. This is the only indicator that I pay for. Yeah. Other than that, it's all free. I like T-Trades indicator. I also like how it shows, like we're on the 1, it's showing me the 15. Like I would have taken over 887. I would have taken this long over 887 and I would have scalped it, or at least took it long, and I would have been profitable. He has these things they call T-spots. So like it breaks and then retests in this area, and then you want a continuation. I have zero lag MACD. That's what they call it, zero lag MACD at the bottom. And then on this screen, I have the 5-minute orb. Don't disregard 8:30. It's really 9:30. 9:30 to 9:35, 9:30 to 10:30. So I have the 5-minute orb, the 15-minute orb, and the hourly range. And I have those ranges that play So I leave these ranges up during the day. I'll leave the pivots on. And that's kind of, I come here just to see where we are in the range, because a lot of the times, it's support and resistance. This is the 15-minute range right here. You can see we came up, we hit it, we rejected. And I play first touch. So argument's sake, we come up, we reject this. Next time we come up, I'm not looking for a rejection anymore. But yeah, Jude, you ain't kidding. It's just about turkey time for me too. But yeah, man, Ben, if you have questions, Ben, I can make you a personal video and I'll post it. Like, I'm completely open about everything. Like, if you have questions, I find it, if you have a question, there's somebody else in this chat that has that same question, but doesn't want to ask. So I'll go over it on the live stream, or I'll just make a video and I'll post it in here. And, I'll post it in here. And without a doubt, I would, I help you out. I mean, here's the Discord if you want to ask in there, because I could post photos in there and you could post screenshots if you have questions in there. This is supposed to be one of those places that, we all help each other out, but I think my day is done today. I thought it was a pretty good trading session. I don't think I'm going to get filled down here. I'll leave the orders in. Yeah, I'm going to leave the orders in. We'll see what happens. And yeah, hopefully there's some Black Friday deals. Like I said, if you want to support the channel, use the coupon code. We're going to do maybe we'll do another giveaway for an account tomorrow. And I want everybody to make some family memories, man. That's what these days are about. You see family you don't see all the time. Go have some laughs. Go make some memories. Don't even think about the market. And just enjoy yourself, Just enjoy yourself. That's what it's about. And I'll try to pop on early tomorrow. I probably won't do a long session, but we'll come on tomorrow, see what's going on. And I'm going away at some point tomorrow, but I'll be back Sunday. But yeah, I call it, Fred. I'll be honest with you, the rest of the day is just going to be more shit, to be real. I usually come on, so I'll be on probably around 9 o'clock, but normally I come on at 10:30 a.m. and I'm off by noon, and then I come back on from 2 o'clock to 4:30. If you subscribe below, you'll get notified when I come on. And that's pretty much it. It was great meeting everybody. If you're new, it was a pleasure to have you on the stream. And hopefully you guys come back, So enjoy, guys. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.